So what is that equation? Reaction between iron 3 oxide is heated with aluminum powder. What is the reaction? Iron 3 oxide. So reaction if we write, it will come Fe2O3, iron 3 oxide, which is present in solid state, reacting with again what? Aluminum, which is also present in solid state, which will heated, then it will form aluminum oxide, Al2O3, which is present in solid state, as well as understanding Fe iron, which is present in molten state here. That is what you remember very carefully. Molten iron will come. They will ask me the example. In which give me the example of reaction in which iron is getting in liquid state. Understand? Means in the sense of molten state. Then we have to give the equation. This equation. Understand? So this is aluminum oxide and this is aluminum. Balancing is most important. 2 aluminum is there. So here I can give 2. That's all. So now everything is balanced. You can verify. I think everything is balanced already. So this one is called as iron 3 oxide. Iron 3 oxide, or also we can call it as ferric oxide. What is to call? Ferric oxide. That you have to remember. Is it okay, Ra? Yes or no, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the reaction between what? Reaction between what? Ferric iron 3 oxide and aluminum.
Iron 3.
So now,
Aluminum.
we'll observe in this reaction also. In this reaction, if you'll observe, understand here also same thing. See, a more reactive metal, aluminum, is displacing iron. Is displacing iron because aluminum is more reactive than iron. So it will displace iron from its oxide and it will form aluminum oxide. That's all. So here, please note that much heat is produced in this reaction. So that is why iron is obtained in the form of molten state. More amount of heat energy is produced. That is why it is produced in the form of molten iron. Is it okay, Ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now if you see all these reactions, if you see till all 11 or 10 examples I have taught, all the 10 about 10 example if you observe, they actually how many displacement is taking place? Single displacement or double displacement? Means two places it is
Single
exchanging or only
displacement.
one place it is
Single displacement, sir.
single displacement. So this all the displacement reaction also we can call it as what we used to call displacement reaction. Also we can call it as single displacement reaction. What we used to call
Single displacement.
single displacement reaction. Displacement reaction also is to called as single displacement reaction because in this all these reactions whatever we have studied till now, one element displaces another element from its compound. That's all or not? So displacement reaction means you have to remember one element, what will happen? Displaces another element from its compound. Another element. Understanding? Element from its compound. That's all. From its compound. So till now we have studied all the single displacement reactions. Now if you have studied single displacement reactions, understand? But it is just like a displacement reaction. Now we will talk of a displacement reaction in actually means understanding double displacement reaction. So means in the sense of what? What is the meaning of double displacement reaction? This is all single.
Two elements will
Single,
displace
will write
another.
single displacement or different displacement doesn't matter. Both are correct. Now the next one is most important. We have to see that another type of displacement reactions are called as double displacement reaction. I think this is the fourth type of reaction. Is it correct? Fourth or fifth?
Fourth, sir.
Fourth type of reaction. Yeah. So all of you keep heading. Double displacement reactions. Double displacement reactions. Double displacement reactions. Observe very carefully, all of you. Double displacement reactions means understanding. So those reactions in which I have taught you one condition for double displacement reactions. Starting itself, reactants both must be in which state? Both must be in, if we'll say only I will proceed. Both must be in aqueous state, or one must be in aqueous state, one must be in gaseous state. Solid state, it won't be possible. Double displacement reaction won't be takes place when the reactants are in solid state. Understand? If any exceptional case is there, I will say you. Understand? But unless until you have to remember, always a double displacement reaction, understanding, in both occurs in only solution, and one of the product being must be insoluble, then that reaction is called as precipitation reaction. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So in this, both the reactants must be in aqueous state, and one insoluble solid will form. That is only we used to call as what we used to call precipitation. So also we can say double displacement reaction. One of the type of reaction. Example of double displacement reaction. Precipitation reaction is also we can call it as what? Double displacement reaction. So here you remember, till now we have studied exchanging of element. Is it correct or not? One element is replacing another element. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
double displacement reaction is not taking place by exchanging of element. Here, exchanging of ions will take place. What will take place?
Exchange of ions.
Exchanging of ions will take place. That you have to remember. Understand? So because that is why they are in aqueous state. Understand? Because when they are in aqueous state, they will start forming the ions. So these ions will exchange of, understanding, ions exchange to form new compounds are called as double displacement reaction. So let me explain with one example. Later you people will write the definition. So these double displacement reactions usually occurs in only solutions, and one of the products being insoluble, that is only we used to call it as precipitates out, or precipitation reaction, which we can separate as a solid. And let us go for one of the example. Let me first example, if you'll observe. Silver nitrate. What is the state of this? Silver nitrate, AgNO3. AgNO3, silver nitrate. Silver nitrate, aqueous solution, which is reacting with the silver, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride means what? Salt solution. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Which will form, which will react. We should get the products. What is the products? Tell me. Exchanging of ions here. Nothing is changed. Only ions will exchange. Silver plus, sodium plus. Both will exchange. That's all. Silver ions will take place. Nothing is going to change. So based upon that, you tell me the products. Nothing is going to change. Tell me. We used to get what? In place of sodium, silver will come. What will happen? Silver chloride, which is a solid one. Understanding? Which is only called as white PPT. White PPT means what?
White
precipitate. White precipitate will form. Now, in place of sodium, silver came. Means silver will come to sodium place. This one. Silver. Sodium will come to silver place. What is the product will come? NaNO3. Sodium nitrate. What is it called?
Sodium nitrate.
Sodium nitrate. That's all. Can you able to understand here? See, silver is the ion, sodium is the ion. Both are positive ions. Understand? Just these ions are exchanging. Silver is coming here and sodium is coming here. Is that anything happen? Other thing?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That is why double displacement reaction is by exchanging of ions will take place. That is the reason why the reactant should be in aqueous state, or one reactant should be in aqueous state and one reactant should be in gaseous state. Understand, Amma? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes.
Right, all of you. Those reactions, double displacement reactions, fourth one. Those reactions in which two compounds react by an exchange of exchange of what? Exchange
Ions.
of what? Ions. Double displacement means you have to remember ions. Understanding? exchange of ions to form two new compounds. To form two new compounds. To form two new compounds are called double displacement reactions. Are called double displacement reactions. Is it okay? Double displacement reactions. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Example, we can write.
Sir, one of the reactant must be, both the reactants must be aqueous, or one should be aqueous and other should be
One should be in
gaseous.
gaseous. That is a condition for double displacement reaction. Okay. Next.
Okay, sir.
First example one, right? Example one. When silver nitrate solution is Prasini, are you understanding? Dina, late join. Varshini, no response. Anusri, Nitesha, and all, I don't know what they are doing. Right. When silver nitrate solution is added to sodium chloride solution, added to sodium chloride solution, then a white precipitate of silver chloride, is formed.
Sir, can you say again, sir? A white?
When silver nitrate solution is added to a sodium chloride solution, then a white precipitate of silver chloride, is formed along with the sodium nitrate solution. Understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Now write this equation. Now observe, all of you, board you observe. So first if we take AgNO3. So Ag is positive, NO3 is negative. Ions, I am saying. Are you understanding, Amma? Ions. That is why, because here exchanging of ions is taking place. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
sir.
As
Yes,
well as
sir.
sodium, if we take, sodium is +1 and chlorine is -1. So that nothing is there. They are going to exchange their ions so that we used to get. Understanding? Silver chloride, AgCl, means in the sense of we can write as a, what we can write, Amma? Ag +1 and Cl -1. Or else you can write sodium nitrate, NaNO3. Or else I can write what I can write? Na plus and NO3 -1. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
That is.
Yes, sir.
It is only here. Understand? So silver chloride is formed as an insoluble solid, white solid. That is only we used to called as white precipitate here. PPT indicate what? PPT dot. PPT dot also must be precipitation reaction. PPT dot. Everybody should remember that. Understand? PPT dot should be there for presentation, precipitation reaction. That's all. This is the first example. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you, Pranav. Now second one you write. Second one. When barium chloride solution, barium chloride, what is the formula? Barium chloride.
BaCl.
BaCl2, Ba2 plus, correct? Don't think that every time BaCl will come. Chloride means. Depend upon the ions, right?
Cl2.
When barium chloride solution is added to, sodium sulfate solution. Sodium sulfate, what is the formula? Think and tell me. Sodium sulfate. Sodium is +1, sulfate is -2.
Na2, yes, sir.
Na2.
Sir, can you say from first?
When barium chloride solution, is added to sodium sulfate solution, then a white precipitate of, don't think that every time white precipitate, few times color will change. That is also important. But this is also white only. So white precipitate of barium sulfate is formed. Along with the sodium chloride solution. along with the sodium chloride solution. Sodium chloride, what is the formula? Sodium chloride, what is the formula? Na2SO4, Akshaya. NaCl. Now here it will change. Balancing, be careful. So BaCl2.
Barium chloride, sir.
BaCl2. BaCl2, which state? State. State soluna fast.
Aqueous state, sir.
Aqueous state. Reacting with sodium sulfate. NaSO4, which is also present in aqueous state, which will form exchanging of ions now. What will come? BaSO4. Barium sulfate, BaSO4, which is present in white PPT.
Yes.
White PPT
Sodium chloride.
plus sodium chloride, NaCl, which is present in which state? Aqueous state. Sorry, I forgot liquid state. I written aqueous state. Is it okay, ma? But
Yes, sir.
it is not balanced. Here sodium ions are 2, chlorines also 2. So here what will come? 2 will come.
Cl.
That's all. Is it okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
Now see,
Sir.
exchanging of ions is most important. So if you'll observe exchanging of ions, first one if you'll observe, barium is how much? 2 plus, chlorine is -1. Here sodium is +1, sulfate is -2. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Now,
Yes,
we
sir.
used to get a product called as barium sulfate, Ba2 plus, SO4 also 2 minus. Is it correct or not? So product will come like this, Ba2 SO4 twice. But what I said, same number will come means we can get cancelled. Is it correct or not? Lowest possible number. So
Yes, sir.
by two will get cancelled. We used to get barium sulfate BaSO4. Understand? Next here, sodium chloride, Na plus and Cl -1. These two will exchange and these two will join, which is to come NaCl. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? This also most important. Exchanging ions also should be, because this is what? Double displacement reaction. Understanding, Amma?
Yes, sir.
So, if any reaction in which an insoluble solid called as precipitate is formed, then that separates from the solution. That is only called as, what reaction is called as? Also we can call it as
Double displacement reaction.
Double
Double
displacement.
precipitation reaction. I am saying what is that we used to call as precipitation reaction. What we used to call?
Precipitation reaction.
Precipitation reaction. Now, is it clear? Any doubt? Anybody? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Now, same next example 3 you write. Hey, formulas you should remember. So many of you don't know till now the formulas. You are saying wrong formulas. That is wrong. If I am saying now, you should learn. That is why I am giving these many examples, because you people need to learn the formulas. So you should remember. Next reaction, right? Barium chloride solution. If barium chloride solution, again next example 3. If barium chloride solution, double displacement reaction only. If barium chloride solution is added to copper sulfate solution, copper sulfate, what is the formula? Copper sulfate,
CuS.
CuSO4.
CuSO4. Others also you can speak correct. CuSO4. Then a white precipitate of, what will come? Again white precipitate of barium chloride only here. So what will come?
Barium sulfate.
Barium sulfate plus what will come? Copper.
Copper
Copper chloride. Copper chloride.
Sir, can you please say again, sir, this reaction?
Barium chloride reacting, barium chloride solution is added to copper sulfate solution.
Sir, then white PPT of barium sulfate along with what is formed, sir?
What is forming? You don't know. You cannot remember. Remaining
Copper chloride like that.
copper chloride. Copper chloride, CuCl2. Copper chloride because Cu2 plus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right now, BaCl2 plus CuSO4. BaCl2, barium chloride, which is present in aqueous state, reacting with CuSO4, copper sulfate, which is also present in aqueous state, which will form
Yes,
what?
sir.
BaSO4,
BaSO4,
barium sulfate,
white
which is present
precipitate
in
plus
white PPT.
CuCl2.
White PPT, understanding, plus which will form copper chloride, CuCl2. No need to balance it, it's already balanced.
Yes,
But
sir.
what is
Balance,
the state
already
of
balanced.
copper chloride? Aqueous state. Understand, Amma?
Yes, sir.
That is
Yes,
most
sir.
important.
Yes, sir.
Aqueous state. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Here also same thing. Ba is what? 2 plus. Cl is -1. Copper is 2 plus. Sulfate is also 2 minus. So now exchanging what will come? Ba 2 plus, SO4 2 plus, 2 minus, and Cu 2 plus, and Cl -1. Exchanging. Understanding, Amma? BaSO4 and Cu. Is it okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Write it. Next. This is example number 3. Yes or no? Have you written?
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Where
Yes,
is
sir.
Jesse and all? Jesse is absent. Second period, first period attended, second period. God. Okay. Right, next one. Pranita, are you there? Pranita also not there. Next, right, next one. When hydrogen sulfide, what is the formula? Hydrogen sulfide, gas, this gas, H2S. Hydrogen sulfide is a gas, H2S. Till now you have studied for aqueous and aqueous, correct? That is why this is example of aqueous and gaseous state. Okay. It is an example of what? Aqueous and gaseous state reactions, double displacement reaction, right? When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through copper sulfate solution. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through copper sulfate solution. Somebody is making noise, please unmute. Copper sulfate solution. When a hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through copper sulfate solution, comma, then a black precipitate of, black, this time which color? Black precipitate. Remember, copper oxide or copper sulfide, everything is black in color. React by, right, copper sulfate react by, which one will form? A black precipitate of copper sulfide. A black precipitate of copper sulfide is formed along with sulfuric acid solution. Now write the equation. What is the copper sulfate? CuSO4, which is present in aqueous state, will forming hydrogen sulfide or 2 hydrogen sulfide we can call, which is what? Which state? Hydrogen sulfide. Gaseous state. Hydrogen sulfide, PHID, which will form copper sulfide, PHID, which PPT? Black PPT. Black PPT. Plus we used to get high sulfuric acid, H2SO4, which is present in aqueous state. That's all. This is the equation. Write it. Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All of you.
Yes, sir.
Next. Shall we go for next one? Example 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Directly write. When ammonium hydroxide, what is the formula of ammonium hydroxide? Think and tell me. Ammonium hydroxide, ammonium, NiUm, ammonium.
NH4.
NH4OH. Very good. NH4OH. Very good. Akshay is doing very well. Nice. Do. When ammonium hydroxide solution is added to, when ammonium hydroxide solution is added to aluminum chloride solution, directly, yeah, okay, this theory and all, why
Sir, then
directly you write the equation. That is down itself you write. Aluminum chloride, AlCl3. What we used to call? AlCl3.
Chloride.
Aluminum chloride, AlCl3. Write it like this. That is better. Aluminum chloride. Aluminum
Sir, you
chloride.
said ammonium hydroxide only, no sir, you
Ma,
said.
sodium hydroxide plus aluminum chloride. First aqueous state I am taking. Okay, ma. Nothing is there. Sodium hydroxide, which is present in also aqueous state. Both are same. Nothing is there. Understand Padmarshini?
Yes, sir.
This is what? Ammonium hydroxide, which will form a products of aluminum hydroxide. What is the formula? Aluminum hydroxide. Let me see anybody brilliant. Aluminum hydroxide, Al3 plus hydroxide OH minus 1.
OH.
What will come?
AlOH thrice.
Right. It is present in solid state. White PPT. White PPT. Again, what PPT? White
White PP.
aluminum hydroxide. Aluminum hydroxide plus what is the another product? Another product. Ammonium chloride. NH4Cl. What we used to call ammonium
Ammonium.
ammonium chloride. Write it. This is the reaction. Example 5. Is it okay?
Yes,
You
sir.
understand or not?
Yes, sir.
NH4 plus, the only non-metallic positive ion. The only non-metallic positive ion. There is no another non-metallic positive ion except this ammonium. Remaining all metals only. No non-metals will form positive ions except this polyatomic ion. The only polyatomic ion of non-metals, it is NH4, which is having a positive charge. Except that everything is negative only. You want, I can verify. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is only. You can see carbonate, phosphate, sulfate, nitrate, nitrite. Everything is negative, negative, negative. All polyatomic ions are negative. Because all will form by two non-metals only. But this is the only non-metal polyatomic ion which is having positive charge. That is also special. You remember that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is the thing. Next example. Have you completed this?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Next, yellow color. Do you want yellow color or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yellow color also will see one thing. So yellow color means by the time you may understand. Lead nitrate, yellow color. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
But lead nitrate is not yellow color. If lead is there, then yellow color will be present. So that is why we are going to react now. Lead nitrate aqueous solution. Lead nitrate formula solunga. Lead nitrate.
PbNO3, sir.
PbNO3.
NO3.
That's all.
NO3.
What nonsense you are
Twice.
talking? PbNO3 twice. How many times I should say this? PbNO3 twice. Lead nitrate. What is this, Yalini? Padmarshini also. Like this only are you studying? Lead nitrate, how many times you are writing? Till now, 10 times you are written. Lead nitrate reacting with potassium iodide. What is this potassium iodide symbol?
Ki.
Ki.
First,
Your activity 1.2, same example. Have you seen it? I told you to write, but I don't know what you have written. PbI2, see your textbook. Lead iodide, solid state, which is present in yellow PPT. All of you note it down. This is yellow PPT. Understanding? What is this? Lead iodide. Lead iodide plus it will form potassium nitrate, KNO3, which is present also in aqueous state. Write it. Potassium nitrate. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Lead nitrate, why you are forgetting formula? PbNO3 twice, I am saying you correct again, how you will forget? Don't forget every time like this. Understand?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, till here if you'll observe, every time we are getting one precipitate and one aqueous solution product. Is it correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is a one type of displacement, double displacement reaction. Actually, double displacement reactions are two types. One is precipitation reaction. Next one is neutralization reaction. So neutralization reaction is also example of double displacement reaction. What is to call? Neutralization reaction is
Double-
also example of double displacement.
Double
reaction.
displacement.
So always neutralization reaction means, remember, when acid react with the base, which will form. What is acid, what is base, we'll study next class. Already we have studied lower classes. Acid is in sour taste and base is in another taste. What is the acid taste? Bitter. Acid is sour in taste, base is in bitter taste. You have studied or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So neutralization reaction, acid plus base, which will form salt plus water. Salt means not eating salt raw. Any other salt, any salt of laboratory. That is only called as second type of double displacement reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Just keep note, all of you. Neutralization reaction. Second type of double displacement reaction is also called as what? Neutralization reaction. So what is this? Acid plus base will form salt plus water. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Salt means not only eating salt, any salt. Understanding? Sodium chloride, magnesium chloride, aluminum chloride, everything. Copper chloride. Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Now, shall we see the examples for this? We'll end this.
Sir, 1 minute, don't rub, sir.
I am not rubbing.
Yes, sir, complete.
Over?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you understand this, then I will give one example for this. That's all. Sodium hydroxide. What is the formula? Right, first acid. Hydrochloric acid, which is present in aqueous state, reacting with the base. This is acid. Base. Base means sodium hydroxide, NaOH, which is also present in aqueous state. Also present in aqueous state. Sodium hydroxide. What is the products will come? Tell me. Sodium chloride. What is it called?
NaCl.
Sodium
NaCl.
chloride. Understanding? Sodium chloride and plus what will form? Water. Water is in what?
H2.
Liquid state.
Yes.
H2. That's all. Can anyone understand?
Yes, sir.
Next. Hydrochloric acid is reacting with magnesium hydroxide, MgOH twice. MgOH twice, which will form magnesium chloride, MgCl2 plus, which will form water. Understanding? So as a liquid. So now we want to balance it also. So balance it means what will come here? 2 will come. Here also 2 will come. Understanding?
2H.
HCl, magnesium chloride, everything is balanced. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is. Okay, ma.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And last one more example I will give for the same thing. See this here, magnesium chloride is a what? Salt. Next. Calcium, write it. Hydrochloric acid, aqueous state, reacting with calcium hydroxide, which will form calcium chloride, CaCl2, aqueous state, plus water. So here also same thing. Here 2 and here 2. Is it okay, ma?
Yes, sir.
So this is all what? Double displacement reactions. But what is this example? What is that?
Neutralization reaction.
Neutralization reaction. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Anybody
sir.
having any
Sir.
doubt? You can ask me.
No,
No,
sir.
So this is all about what? Double displacement,
Neutralization.
double displacement reaction.
and neutralization reaction. If you will
Neutralization.
understand this, then tomorrow class we are going to study the last type of reaction called as oxidation and
Oxidation
reduction
and
reaction.
reduction.
Oxidation and
Reduction.
oxidation and
Reduction.
reduction reactions.
Got it.
Understand?
Reduction.
So with this I am going to stop in today's class. Then and tomorrow I am giving what I am saying. Till here for the tomorrow's exam. All of you prepare thoroughly and you come. Understand, Amma?
Yes,